Zainab Hassan had just gone through a painful breakup. She was finally moving on, talking to someone new online, a billionaire named Adrian Colm. But her ex, Daniel Okoye, was still watching her, obsessed. One night, he showed up at her house. They argued, emotions ran high, and suddenly, everything went wrong. There was silence, too much silence. By morning, Zainab was gone. No trace, no explanation, and only one person knew the truth: Daniel. Then he found her phone and saw the billionaire. That's when a dangerous idea formed.